Welcome to GYANJYOTI online classes, class 8 English. The book's name is My Canvas. It's chapter 2. It's exercise that is a poem. So we can see the poem there is the sea. And the poem, I hope I have explained and you have listened my online classes video. Also, it's long the poem, it's short one. I James Reeves. Written by James Reeves. So I hope you, whatever I discussed, you might have understood. So now let's start discussing about the exercises. Here you can open page number 18. Page number 18 and read the exercise. It has A1, A2 and A3. A1 is the answer to question and A2 reference to context and A3 to discuss the vocabulary and grammar portion. Let's discuss. First one question. Which stanzas have more pronounced similarity between the sea and the dog? Okay, कौन सा स्टांजा पूरा डॉग और सी में पूरा ही बराबर है? Let's start. The first stanza has the most pronounced similarity between sea and the dog. However, second and the third stanza also show some similarity between the two. The entire poem is a metaphor where the sea has been compared to a dog. Means the whole the poem we can find that समंदर को डॉग के साथ तुलना किया गया है और यहाँ पर स्पेशली मोर स्पीक्स अबाउट दिस similarity between the sea and the dog, that is the first stanza. So I hope you the पहला नंबर stanza पूरे ही क्लियर कर दिया गया है कि the sea is a giant, sea is a hungry dog. So we have understood first number question answer and we shall discuss question number 2. When does the sea display more excitement? कब समंदर बहुत ही उत्तेजित रहता है? Yes, the sea displays excitement as a hungry dog in the cold winter. Yeah, the sea displays excitement as a hungry dog in the cold winter days. ठंडी के दिनों में बहुत ही समंदर बहुत ही उत्तेजित रहता है. Okay, the sea is also excited when the moon rises and night wind blows. Sea is also excited. समंदर और ही बहुत उत्तेजित होता है कब? When the moon rises, जब चांद निकलता है, and the right wind blows, night wind blows, रात की हवा जब चलती है, then you can see the sea is very much excited. So okay, you understand this number. Question number 3. What are the sensory images that are created in the poem? Sensory images. Let's see. The poem is abounding with imagery. The rough sea has been compared to a dog. Rough sea, someone कुत्ते के साथ तुलना किया गया है. And there is visual imagery in giant and grey rolls on the beach, clashing teeth and saggy jaws, moon rocks in the stormy cloud. There is auditory imagery in mounds, night wind roars, snobs and sneap, and howls, white days. So we can see that the poet has used many sensory images in the poem. Many parts we can see, and as said that the poet has used the more and more many sensory images. Sensory means full of sense, full of the sea has a full of life itself. It's okay. Once I take the example, giant and grey, rolls on the beach, clashing teeth and saggy jaws, all activity like dog. Moon rocks in the stormy cloud. Moon जाके इस cloud के साथ टक्कर मार रहा है. There is auditory images in सुनाई देने वाला. Yes, these are the images. It can be created by this point. Is clear, understand? Question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 4. How does the moods of the sea correspond to human moods? समंदर का जो मूड है कैसे इंसान के मूड से तुलना किया गया है. Let's discuss here. Since the sea has been anthropomorphized as a dog के साथ तुलना किया गया है, there are myriad of moods depicted in the poem. The first stanza talks about the sea being hungry like a dog and as a result it is wild and furious. In the second stanza, the mood is energetic and playful. The third stanza is more calm and quiet in temper. So in this way, the human mood, the poet has described to the sea. It's okay? Now let's come to A2. As I discussed earlier on the answers and to reference to context. To read the extract and to answer. Explain these lines with reference to the context. It's okay? The sea is a hungry dog, giant and grey, rolls on the beach all day. This is the extract and answer. Question number 1. What figure of speech does the speaker use while comparing the sea to a dog? Very simple. The poet uses metaphor in comparing the sea to a dog. Metaphor means dog appears. Dog is the sea. Number 2 or number B. What are the words that instantly portray the picture of a dog in your mind? What are the words? Yes, let's discuss. B number. The words hungry, just like giant and grey, rolls, bring the image of a dog in our mind. जैसे कुत्ता भूखा होता है, समंदरी भूखा है. Giant and grey, dog's color. रोल मतलब कुत्ता जैसे पानी में नीचे जाकर क्या करता है, ऐसे घूमते रहता है, पानी में जमीन में लेटते रहता है. ऐसे समंदर का पानी पूरा रोलिंग हो के आता है सी शोर में. Just poet imagines that the sea is a dog. It's okay. Question number 2. Its extract is with his clashing teeth and saggy jaws. Clashing teeth and saggy jaws, hour upon hour he gnaws the tumbling stones and bones. It's okay? So in this extract, we have to answer the question number 8. What does the dog and the sea now on? What does the dog and sea now on? The sea now on the stones. The sea now on the stones and the dog now on bones. Yeah? जैसे कि समंदर पत्थर में रगड़ते दांत घर्षित रहता है, तो यहाँ कुत्ता हड्डी में लेके पूरा काटते रहता है. In this way, the poet has described both the things. Number B. What sound made by the sea similar to the dog asking for bones? What sound? Here you can see the sound. When the sea water falls on the stone at the shore, it produces a sound which is similar to the dog asking for bones. Yes. Once again, when the sea water falls on the stones, समुद्र का पानी से स्टोन गिरता है, at the shore, it produces a sound. एक शब्द आता है, which is similar to this dog asking for bones. वो शब्द ऐसा था कि कुत्ता जैसे कि हड्डी मांग रहा है. So it's clear to understand. Number 2. Now come to the number 3. Sacking his weight sides over the cliff and howls and howls hello long and loud. So page number 19 you can see question number 3. Sacking his weight sides over the cliffs and howls and hollows long and loud. It's okay. And the questions answer A and question A. How does the speaker indicate rough weather? खराब परिवेश को, पर्यावरण को, जलवायु को कैसे वो समझा रहे हैं. Let's see. The poet is abounding with imagery. The rough sea has been compared to a dog, and there is number 3, number A answer. The poet uses words like howls and hollows to indicate that the weather is wild and stormy. Yeah, wild and stormy, that is a rough weather, okay? Wild and stormy, just as a dog shakes its sides vigorously, the sea water crashes onto the cliff, indicating rough weather. समुद्र का पानी जाके ऊंचा पहाड़ों के पत्थर में टकराता है और इसी से पता चलता है कि मौसम खराब है. It's okay. Once again, the poet uses words like howls and hollows to indicate that the weather is wild and stormy, just as a dog shakes its sides vigorously. The seawater crashes onto the cliffs, indicating rough weather. Question number B. What is the literary term used to describe the repetition of vowel sounds? And that is, answer is the assonance is the literary term used to describe repetition of vowel sounds. Assonance. Question number 4. Lies on the sandy shores. Lies on the sandy shores. So quiet, he scarcely snows. Okay, and here question number 8. What does the dog do when he is quiet? How is it seen in the waters of the sea? Yeah, answer is dog lies quietly on the sandy. The dog lies quietly on the sandy shores with his head between his paws. Okay, the sea is placid and the rock waves have quietened. Yes, question number B. What are the different characteristics? What are the different characteristics of the sea that the speaker brings out? Yes, क्या क्या characteristics गुण हैं जो कि speaker यहाँ पर लाए हैं? The speaker has shown different characteristics of sea in the poem. Sometimes the waves are high and rough, as if the sea is hungry and angry. At other times, he is energetic and playful. The waves are not rough, and at times the sea is quiet and placid, is calm. You can see 3 types of weather we can see in the characteristics of sea. First one is high and rough, second one is energetic and playful, third one is very calm. These are 3 types of characteristics of the sea the poet has described. Clear to understand? Now discuss. Question number 3 discuss. That is the question. And here we have to discuss. Number 1. The poem lists the similarities between the sea and the dog. Make a list of all the similarities between the two. Similarity. दोनों में क्या है? Similarity है. Question number 3. Discuss. What are the similarities we discuss? The sea is a metaphor where it has been compared to a dog at different times. Both the dog and the sea are giant and grey. Dog भी भयानक रहता है और ग्रे कलर में रहता है. समुद्र भी ऐसा दिखता है. Both the sea and the dog roll on the beach all day. पूरे दिन भर उत्तरी खेलते रहता है और रोल मतलब रेंगते रहता है, सोते रहता है, घूमते रहता है और समुद्र में ऐसे ही चक्कर मार रहा है. बोथ नाव दोनों ही नाव से आवाज करते हैं. Dog now with his clashing teeth and सगी जाओ दांत से आवाज करता है और समुद्र पत्थर से. The sea is now rumbling, tumbling stones. Both are hungry, दोनों ही भूखे हैं, ऐसे दिख रहे हैं. The sound of the rough rolling waves is like dog asking for bones. ऐसे लग रहा है कि dog कोई खाना मांग रहा है और dog कोई हड्डी मांग रहा है. Let's see. When the waves roll on and end up in home of the beach, it looks like a dog licking its grassy paw. और यहाँ पर जैसे कि एक कुत्ता अपना ग्रेसी पाव में या ऑयली पाव में कुछ छू रहा है. Let's see, it's looking like that. And next point, there another similarity when the poet says that just as the dog shakes his sides furiously, the sea water crashes onto the cliffs, indicating rough weather. जैसे dog छूता है. The poet says that just the dog shakes his sides furiously. उसका पीठ को ऐसे से हिलाता है. इसी तरह से समंदर भी आगे बड़े बड़े पत्थरों में टकरा के जिसे हिलता है. That is the similarity. The last stanza lines the sea to a sleeping dog. और आखिरी स्टांजा में देखते हैं कि जैसे कुत्ता सोया है तो कोई आवाज नहीं, चुपचाप शांत रहता है. With the head between its paw, उसका सर अपने नाखून के पास ही लगे रहता है. समंदर भी शांत रहता है. Both quiet. The total similarity we can find in the sea and this dog. It's clear? Number 2. Do you think the poem is an analogy of life and its up and down discuss? Yes. The poem talks about the tumultuous sea and rough weather. समंदर पूरा मतलब tumultuous मतलब पूरा हिलता डुलता और मतलब तरंग और बहुत ही विडोल इस टाइप का है. लाइफ इज ऑल्सो फुल ऑफ सच अंडरस्टैंड सिचुएशन. जीवन में भी उतार चढ़ाव है, कभी घटी कभी ज्यादा कभी कम ऐसे होते रहता है. समटाइम देयर आर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, कभी कभी द्वंद्व रहता है. चैलेंजेस, प्रतियोगिता रहता है. एंड रॉफ टाइम्स, बुरे समय भी रहता है. दैट लाइफ put us through, and all other times it is so comfortable, full of happiness and serenity. कभी भी जीवन बहुत ही शांतिपूर्ण, बहुत ही आनंददायक और बहुत ही आरामदायक होता है. So you can see that life is sometimes good, sometimes bad. Yes, life is full of ebbs and flows, similar to the sea. We can compare this series to the analogy of life and its ups and downs. Yeah, कि जीवन शैली में जैसे उतार चढ़ाव होते रहता है, इस कविता से हम उसको भी ला सकते हैं. So this is all about the points we can discuss about question number 3 and I hope you have understood. Now let's come to the vocabulary part. Now let's discuss vocabulary. Page number 19. The pronunciation of onomatopoeia. Words resemble the sound that the word donates. There are different sounds, and here the finger blanks give a very many sound. And here we have to find just like fingers, that is snap. Popcorn, pop. Number 3, snack, hiss sound. Then sweeps is click sound. Cars, number 5 number car, a zoom sound. The number 6 tires is screech sound. Now this is the clang sound, clang. And 8 number mouthwash and the gurgle sound. So we have different these sound words. We can practice it. And we have to do. B number, page number 20 and B2, that is. And underline the element to pick words in these sentences. So, okay, I find number one. I heard a thumping noise overhead and thought as if something was falling down. Thumping noise. That is one of the sound. Thumping. And we have the thought like it sounded. As a thumping thought. Thumping thought. We can watch it. Number two, the sizzling sound of the vegetable being fried increases my hunger. Here, sizzling sound. Sizzling is sound. Number three, the snack slid into the water with a splash. Here, one of the sound. Slithered and splash. Slithered and splash. S-L-I-T-H-E-I-D. Slithered, splash. Splash sound. Number four, the bee buzzed in my ear. Buzzed. Or number four. Bee buzzed. That is one of the sound. Number five, the floor creaked. As I walked around, a creaked sound. Number five is creaked sound. Creaked. Then number six, thou hooted. Hooted, one of the sound. Hooted. Seven number. The engine chopped. One of the sound chopped on through the very chopped. This is one of the sound. We saw different types of sounds. So this is all about the vocabulary, and now the rest of the grammar part. Let's discuss about the grammar. And here given different types of phrases. A noun phrase is a phrase that indicates a noun, also called a head, and modifiers. The head word in a noun phrase is a noun or a pronoun. A noun phrase includes noun modifiers. If these modifiers are placed before the noun, they are called pre-modifiers. If they are placed after the noun, they are called post-modifiers. For example, I like to eat chocolate. To eat chocolate is modifier, okay? And here I am fond of the boy standing next to you. Here you can see to noun that is called post modifiers, and if these modifiers placed before the noun, they are called pre-modifiers. Now say pehle pre-modifiers, and after the noun, that is post modifiers, that is called. Now these modifiers are just like determinants like a and the, just like then demonstrative, these, that, these, those, numerals, first, second, third, ten, etc. D number mine, yours, mine, her, his, its, our, your, their. Quantifiers some, many, a lot, few, much. These are all noun phrases. Next, number 2, adjective, clever, beautiful, smart, etc. Then participle by present participle, just like go and gone. Gone and going, which are past participle and present participle by using past participle form by ed, de, te, en, etc. So here we have to find out Underline the noun phrases in these sentences. Noun phrases, page number 20 and noun phrase. You have to find the underline the noun phrase in these sentences. We have to find this all. We have discussed this cell. Yes, you can see in this first 20 number underline the noun phrases. Number 1, the old man threw a ball at the young boy. Here, noun phrases: a ball, a young boy, a ball, the young boy, Number 2, I have made the last remaining chief of the tribe. Here, the last remaining chief of the tribe. I have made the last remaining chief of the tribe. The last remaining chief of the tribe. This is noun phrase. Question number 3, he lives in a very old house. A very old house. That is noun phrase. Number 4, my sister's room is twice the size of mine. My sister's room. My sister's room. Now please serve a heap of rice on a large dining plate. A heap of rice, large dining table plate. A heap of rice, that one of the plates, and now is a large dining plate. Large dining plate, that is also one of the phrase. The 6th number, I enjoy playing challenging card games. I enjoy playing challenging card games. Challenging card games. That is one phrase. Challenging card games, which is also noun phrase. So, C3, you have to underline the noun phrase in the places, and in the long passage I can read and I have to find it. Here, I answer this and long sentence, I don't need of reading, it will waste your time, so I am just answering. An unusual taxi, a new service, a small Swiss aeroplane, a pilatus porter, the wonderful plan, 7 passengers, it can land anywhere, cattle, suitcase, fast passenger, doctor, a block of flats, a rejected car park, a strange request, a businessman, the man, a lonely island, the Atlantic Ocean, the trip. These are all noun phrases in this passage. So you have to read in the textbook, page 121, you have to read both the long passage and you have to find this. Now students, another point is the C3 adjective phrase. Let's discuss adjective phrase. Adjective is when a group of words does the work of an adjective in a sentence. पूरा शब्द जो adjective का रोल लेता है, we call it an adjective phrase. Definition: पूरे शब्द adjective का रोल लेता है. work does the work of an adjective. Okay, an adjective phrase tells us about something about the noun it is modifying. The head word in the adjective phrase is called the adjective. Here the sea is calm but beautiful. Calm but beautiful. The extremely tired lioness was exhausted with her enthusiastic corpse. So here the examples: extremely tired, calm and deep, etc. Now you have to underline this. Underline these three gestures. Wild geese in small cages are a sorry sight. Okay, here you have to find the adjective cages. Are a sorry sights. Are a sorry sights. That is adjective phrase. Next point, a word in the hand is or to in the bus. In the hand, in the bus. That is answer. In the hand, in the hand, in the bus. In the bus. Question number 3. Gardens with cool shady trees surround the desert. Here, adjective phrase is with cool shady trees. With cool shady trees. Shady trees. Question number 4. She is a woman of great fame. Of great fame. That is adjective phrase. Of great fame. Question number 5. We climbed a mountain with a steep slope on the right side. With a steep slope on the right side. Steep slope on the right side and then side. Question number 6. Kriti is a student with the highest mark. Yes, with the highest mark. With the answer. With the highest mark. That's the answer. Then 7 number, the finalist wore a crown made of diamond. Yeah? Made of diamond, that is diamond made. Made of diamonds. And 8th one is, a man who is honest is loved by all. Who is honest? Who is honest is adjective phrase. So, the word does the work of an adjective is called adjective phrase. Now C4 number question answer we shall discuss. Question number C4. The king wore a golden crown. Golden crown means made of gold. She wore a diamond necklace. Diamond necklace means made of diamond. This is the adjective phrase I am making from adjective. Okay. Much has been said about the Swiss scenery. Swiss scenery means of Switzerland. Number 4, it was a horrible night. Horrible night means of horror. That is adjective phrase. Heroic deeds are worthy of admiration. 5 number. Heroic deed means of heroism. It was a valuable coin. Valuable coin means of value. That is adjective phrase. He has done a shameful deed. Shameful means of shame, that is adjective phrase. We traveled mountainous roads means in the mountains. Mountainous means in the mountains. That is adjective phrase. We can practice it, and I hope you, the rest of it, the pronunciation, listening and speaking and composition, you have to do it yourself. I also have got PDF that you have to practice yourself. Then you will be smart in. Suppose write a poem about composition, any type of composition comes, and you will say letter, whatever comes, you have to practice it, study well. So hope you will do better in the examination. So have a good day and bye.